Hello guys! So today room tour tayo, okay? So pagpasok mo, meron kang makikitang salamin. Yan. And then the first door is on the left side. Let's open. So ayan guys, this is their bathroom. Shower area. Then dito, merong mirror. Then here, it's toilet. So, yan. Basa pa, guys. Kakalinis lang nila. And then, here also, on the left side, meron tayo, of course, hair dryer. Nasa loob nito. Safety box. Cabinet. Okay, for laundry. At ang importante, may sleepers, guys. And, this is what I'm talking about. Yung ganitong texture ng bathrobe. This is the real bathrobe, okay? Not the one in my previous video. Also, they have iron and the iron board. And dito, guys, meron silang lagayan ng bag, like traveling luggage. And here, they have TV. And then here, guys, we have 2 bottles of water. This is free. So let's see what they have. If they have, cabinet empty. Okay, here they have a glass and a fridge. Let's see. Sharp. Okay, it's empty. But also here, they have a teacup. If you want to drink tea, coffee, it's here. And you can make here also hot water. So now let's check the TV if it's a smart TV because it's very important. Okay, mga media. They're all okay. YouTube is there. How about Netflix? I guess they don't have because it's just show internet HDMI, so you have to connect the wire. So here they have a king size bed and a sofa. You see the sofa design? So here also they have a big table with 1 chair and another mirror. Hi! So now we're going to the balcony. So guys, here's the view outside. So you can see it's so huge. Like it's so huge. So guys, for today's perfume, we have this Bjorn and the scent name is Flora. This is my top 2 favorite. So guys, this is available in UAE and Philippines. If you are interested in this scent and you are curious to know how it smells like, I will drop the website below. And also, my husband for today, he's using again the Titan Brave. Also, this is one of his favorite. So, if you're interested, we're available in Amazon and in this website. Plus, we're also available in Shopee. guys, so now again we are on the last part of the video, which is the hotel review. So again, number one, the distance from Dubai, it's like 45 minutes to 1 hour drive. Next will be the beach access or city access. Guys, this hotel is a beach access. Okay, so this is a resort in front of the beach. So you have access for the pool and beach. Of course, people always search, is the location good? Yes, it is good. Room experience, cleanliness, the room is clean when we arrive. There's no strange smell. The cleanliness, I will rate it like 9 over 10. This is a good size, guys, because we're just couple, so the size for us is decent. Bed comfort is okay. For the bed comfort, I rate it like 8 out of 10. And our view, as I do the room tour, guys, you already see that our view is a sea view. So again, I'd like to tell you, if you like to get a sea view room, you have to make sure that you book the correct room, because guys, it's so hard to argue when you arrive and they give you another room. So when you argue, make sure that you book the correct room. Noise level, it's the same for the my previous video. Like when someone is passing by the corridor, you hear them, but here from outside, from the balcony, you will not hear nothing. Food and dining, our room rate is included with the lunch, dinner, and breakfast. But all of that, I don't have what to show you guys because there's too much people, too much kids. And you know, when you're in UAE, there's a rules that you cannot show their faces. It's a respect for the people. So I don't have video for it. Though I have a video for breakfast, what we ate. So that's what I'm going to show you. So for the breakfast quality, it's normal. It's 8 out of 10. I mean, there's nothing special to it. It's just a normal buffet that you will see everywhere. The variety, it's international. I think I also saw Indian cuisine. And price versus value, I forgot to ask them actually. I forgot to ask them how much it costs if you would just buy the breakfast separate. But I guess it's always good if you will take a room with the breakfast already, because you know, when you were adding breakfast, it's more costly than when you book the room with the breakfast. The restaurant vibe is so crowded. It's so crowded, guys. So it's like when you're going to get your food, be careful because there's lots of people. I mean, left and right. So be careful when you're holding your drinks or your plate. Facilities and amenities at the moment of our stay, we'd like it. Actually, also, I would like to add that there is like a all-inclusive offer. So per person, it costs like 66 dirhams. But then I thought all-inclusive means with the beverage and snacks, but it is only included with the drinks. So drinks is alcohol, juices, cocktails, rum, whiskey, name all you want, guys. Whatever they have alcohol, you can have it. So pool, as I saw, I think they have a 4 pool. So two left and right side with the slides is for kids. Actually, kids and adults. But in the middle one is for adults, where the people stay for drinking. Of course, guys, you know, it's not good if you mix the drunk people with the kids. So that's why there's a reason why they are separated. And also, I saw an indoor pool with the kids area on the left side as well, but I'm not sure if the adult can swim there. Wi-Fi speed is okay. I mean, it's normal, guys. And anyways, we're in UAE. Also, there's a gym. I already show it on my video. It's there. So price versus value, is it worth the money? On this time, guys, yes. I mean, for my stay this time, yes. But I'm not sure because, you know, the prices of things, it's changing so fast. So it can be 600 today and tomorrow it can be 1,000 dirhams. You know what I mean? I mean, that's the reason why I'm not putting the price here because I don't want you to watch my videos and I will tell you like, oh, this all inclusive costs us 700, and then the moment of your stay, it will be like 1,500 dirhams. So that's the reason why I'm not dropping any price here, guys, because price is changing anytime. So I'm just telling you all my experience and how it is for me. That's it. So cheaper alternatives. I'm not sure. As I said, we already have full board. So for that, it's okay, guys, because there's for the dinner we're happy, lots of meats. For lunch also we're happy, lots of meats. But just it's too much crowded. So this hotel is best for couples, family with kids. It is for everyone. You're single, you're double, whoever you are, whoever you're with, it is okay. No discrimination. It's open for everyone. So for the final comment, would you come back? Yes. This is one of our place to go back to. Actually, it's not my first time here, but this is the first time that I'm doing the real experience video for this hotel. So, just guys, before you book the room anywhere, just make sure that you always take it with the breakfast, anything with the food, because in my experience, it's always cheaper when you book it with the food than to add the food later. You understand? You know what I mean. When you go, example, this is like 400 dirhams with the breakfast, and then when you book it with like 350 without breakfast and you want to add breakfast later, then one breakfast can cost you 70 dirhams, 80 dirhams, or 100, even 100 dirhams per person. So it's gonna cost you a way lot more than when you book it with the breakfast, with the food. And also one thing I noticed today is the breakfast. All of the people are gone crazy. They are so mad for waiting in the line because they don't have the seating capacity for everyone. We saw a lot of people still waiting on the line to get into the breakfast. Imagine their breakfast closing at 11 a.m. I don't know, maybe they are just making more time for them since they are coming late. I mean, you know, you have sometimes to make exemption for things that you cannot control. But all of our stay is good. We are happy. And this is recommended.